Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be making veg burger. So let's start making this delicious recipe. Here I have taken 2 boiled potatoes. In it we'll be adding salt, red chili flakes, chaat masala and mix them. In it we'll be adding now the corn flour. Corn flour is actually used for binding. You can add according to how much is required. And grease some oil in your hand to make the tikkis so that it doesn't stick in your hand. And here is the tikkis ready, and we'll place it on the microwave oven at higher rack for 10 minutes and we'll cook them. After 10 minutes you can open the microwave oven and you can see the tikkis are well cooked and it's perfectly ready. This is the burger buns which I have taken, and we'll cut from the middle. We will give the tomato ketchup, now the aloo tikkis. This is the mozzarella cheese which I have chopped. The taste becomes really very nice in burger. And this is the amul slice, and one slice of onion in it, and we'll press little bit. And in this way I have made the 3 burgers. So we will cook the burgers at microwave oven at higher rack for 5 minutes until the cheese gets completely melted. So after 5 minutes, open and see the cheese got completely melted, and here is the delicious burger, and have it and enjoy. Thank you.